Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. Today I kind of have a different video for you guys. I am in my salon right now. I wanted to show you guys a tour of my salon that I own. I own a salon in the Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania area. It is called ABL Beauty Lounge. ABL means my initials, which is Alexis Luft, and I wanted to name it a beauty lounge rather than a salon or spa because I wanted this place to be a one-stop shop for anyone looking to get any services done. We offer eyelash extensions, makeup applications, facials, men and women hair services, and we also offer spray tanning. For spray tanning, we use the Rosa Self Tanning company, which is based out of Pittsburgh, so we love to support, local businesses, and it is such a good solution. So if you are in the area and you are looking for any of those services, then you can just email us, which my email is going to be listed down below, or you can find us on Instagram at ABL Beauty Lounge and just send us a DM, or you can call the salon at 724-864-8800. I am just so beyond thankful that at 21 years old, I can sit here and say that I opened up my salon, which we opened up in August. It's just me and one other stylist. And I am so grateful for every single one of you that are my clients, because if I didn't have you, I literally would not have this salon. So thank you guys so much. It means so much to me that I could sit here and say that this is my salon. I have dreamt of this day, and I've been living my dream since August. I come here every single day, Tuesday through Saturday, and I'm so thankful for each and every one of you. So I wanted to give you guys a little bit of a tour of the salon. It's not fully decorated for Christmas yet, but I do have some decorations up. So I will give you guys a little sneak peek of, what I do every day. And if you guys like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to support my channel. And if you guys like these kinds of videos, something different than makeup videos, then leave a comment down below and let me know, because I would love to give different content out for you guys. Just leave me some feedback, and then I'll do whatever I can to, show you guys my life. And I hope you guys enjoy this video. Just stay tuned till the end to see the full salon.